Aliyat khairun mahada. Okay, so this is talking about, are you able to read that, the thing about the khida? If
It's not
you
khida, it's makhdain. What is that? Please tell me, what does that mean?
well, I think I have an idea.
Sorry, just a second. Just for the clarification, Nadir Ahmed, do you speak and understand Arabic?
أفهم اللغة العربية. I can understand it.
Let me tell what he wrote. He actually
Oh,
said, can you read this?
well,
This is such a shame. And
okay.
end of the
This is
debate
not a
and
time to
discussion,
sort of
when
try.
he was trying to
Okay.
translate,
Okay.
actually the words he's saying is, can you read this?
Yeah, so there was a question in Arabic, and I think simply confirms
Yeah.
that you are lacking on the Arabic language, and that's okay. So we just wanted to clarify that.
He's saying he knows Islam and he does not know jack about Islam.
Inal, it says over here,